Hi everyone, welcome back. So let's see how this S3 works. Let's do the demo. So on the AWS screen, you can search with S3. Uh, and if you search S3, we'll just see this S3. I have done the same thing. So we'll land on this page. And here, this option will come. So let's close it. Yeah, create bucket. So first we'll create that bucket where we are going to put more objects. So click on create bucket. And as the documentation says, for few regions they have enabled this more. There is one more feature, directory new. So if you don't see it, it's okay. Okay, the second thing is we need to give bucket name. Like I said earlier, it should be very unique. It should be unique. No one has ever created that bucket earlier. That is the requirement. So if I'll try maybe demo, if I'll try to create a demo bucket, right, it should fail because someone must have created a demo bucket earlier. Okay, so it should be a unique name. So let me try RITESH demo, and bucket name must not end with dash period. Okay, I will talk about it. What are the naming convention we should follow for bucket, right? So maybe I'll say 1 2 3 4 5, and maybe I will add v1. Yeah, so it will be very unique. Yeah, okay. So bucket name is given. Ownership ACL disable, it's okay. I will talk about it. Let it be. Block public access, yes, I want to block all public access. That is also fine. Bucket versioning, I will create another video. What is bucket versioning? Let it be disabled. Tags we can add, it's okay, but that is optional. Encryption is enabled, it's fine. Advanced settings, it's okay. Object log, those are advanced settings. I will cover them separately. Let's create the bucket. I just created this bucket, right? And this bucket I have created in North Virginia region, right? So buckets are region specific, and so I'll just go inside this bucket, and here now I'm getting that option to upload the files. Let me upload a file here. So I can click on upload, and here I can select files. So I have these two sample files. I'll just select one. So this file is uploaded, and it says the destination will be my bucket. So that is fine. Permissions etc. I can change, but this is fine. So let me just upload. So upload is successful, and I can see this. Let me close it. Okay, I can see under destination, under my bucket, this file is created. I'll just go to this bucket again, and I can see this file. Now let me go to the details of. I can delete it, I can take some actions, it's etc. Copy S3 URL, but I'll just see the details of this file, sample1.txt. okay, so size is given, type is txt, the name is given, who is owning the certificate, in which region I have created this bucket, etc. This is the object URL, means I can access this using this URL. Let me access. If I open it, I'm having this error, access denied. It says you do not have access to it. Okay, and if I try to open it from here, open this file, okay, then I'm able to access this file. Okay, so when I'm trying it from here, open, then I'm not able to access. But when I'm trying from here, then from here I'm able to access, but from here, from this object URL, I'm not able to access. I'm getting access denied. And if you see the difference, right, this URL where I'm able to access, this is Amazon AWS sample txt, and then we have some security token. If you see this Amazon security token, so this token is given, and this whole thing is called pre-signed URL. So because of this token, that authentication is happening, and that's why I'm able to access this URL. But this is a public URL. You see this domain is given and then the file name, and that's why I'm not able to access it, because there are some permission related issues that I'm going to cover. Okay, so that is one thing, right? How can we just upload and then we can see it with pre-signed URLs, right? Let me go back to my bucket, and we can also create folder. Inside bucket I can create more folders. I'll just create a demo folder, create folder, and under folder also I can create more, I can upload more files. If I click on upload, then again add files, I can upload another file. I can add folder also again here, the whole folder. If I have all the files inside one folder, I can upload the whole folder at once. That is also possible, right? In this time it's inside my demo folder. That is one thing. So this is also uploaded. Now if I go back, and these are my buckets, right? Remember one thing. So for example, if I want to delete this file, I can take some actions. I can just delete this file. What are those actions? I'll just talk about it. I mean, we can copy it, that is fine. Rename the object, that is also fine. Yeah. And so if you want to delete, we can just delete it. It will just ask you to delete. But what if you want to delete a bucket, right? So I will just go outside to the in the bucket. Okay, and this is my bucket, and this right now this is not empty. It contains object. What will happen if I want to delete this bucket? So I'll just delete it, and I will get this warning: this bucket is not empty. Bucket must be empty before they can be deleted. Okay, so we can first empty the bucket, right, and then we can delete. To delete the files, it's just very simple. We'll go to that respective file or folder which we want to delete, and we'll just simply click on delete, and here it will ask to reconfirm if we want to delete or not. It says to continue deletion, type permanently delete. I mean, it's just because sometime because of this manual intervention, right, we by mistake we might delete something which should not be deleted, so that's why. So we can just delete, and this is deleted. So that's it in this video. Thank you so much for watching.